Hi guys, so we're back with another video, and today we are doing a tier list of sodas. I know Socks did this, but I'm doing it differently. I'm gonna do it based on taste. Based on whether I drink it or not. These two I haven't even drunk. Coca-Cola is a solid B. I don't really care because who would actually care about soda? Because I would only drink Pepsi. I love Pepsi. But cherry, it's good. Coca-Cola cherry, S tier. Reminds me of Dr. Pepper. Cherry, zero sugar, I never even taste. You know what? I'm just gonna put all of these. Give it like a C. Never even tasted that. Never tasted that. And zero sugar, same level. I don't give it down. Crush. I tasted this. It's A. Okay, F. It's straight up ass. Okay, Dr. Pepper is the best. Dr. Pepper cherry, I never even heard of it and tasted. Nuh-uh. What is that? Diet? F. We're gonna get to Mountain Dew. Okay, Fanta is like literally in front of Crush. Not gonna lie. And I never even heard of this one. Oh, it's there! Dr. Pepper is in front of Cherry Coke because it tastes better and it's cheap, I think. Alright, I never even heard of this. What is that? Mountain Dew is D tier. In fact, put all of them in D tier. It's ass. Pepsi, for me, is kind of number 5. Pepsi, cherry, it looks kind of good, so. Alright. Put all the Pepsis except for this one, because this one's an A. Mango, it looks good, but I'm just gonna. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. I never even heard of these. Sprite it's in front of Fanta. Sprite. I feel like I should put it like behind. Sprite Zero is just dumb. It's ass. Starry. It's just a solid C. All of these are this drink is ass. I'm not gonna lie. Is that it? Okay, let me do another one. Alright. 7-Up. It's ass. It's literally ass. Every 7-Up drink is ass. Except for this one. This one's a B tier. Root beer is ass. Canada Dry is just an A. So, I feel like Canada Dry, all of these flavors are really good. Coca-Cola gets a solid beer. B. Alright, Coca-Cola Cherry, S. Coca-Cola Life? The hell? It looks ass, no one lie. Okay, D tier because I hate every single soda like this. Crush is literally just ass at this point. Like, every Crush flavor except for the original is ass. So, I'm gonna do another tier list. Okay, I'm gonna just do a Cookie Run tier list. CRK. Tier list. because I don't give a shit. I'm just only gonna name it tier list. Oh my goodness. Um. Um. All right, Cowboy Kill. I'm gonna base it on their looks, and I'm only gonna do legendaries, okay? And no, super epics, legendaries, and ancients, and beasts. Holly Berry looks cool, but like she's a solid B. I'm not gonna lie. So let me see which one is next. Pure Vanilla is a solid A. I don't really care, but like yeah. Dark Cacao always S tier. Dark Cacao. Yeah. Blooded Cream. He's a solid tier. Ever since he came out, he looked ugly. Alright. Grandma Cookie, she died, so I don't give a shit. Okay, Frost Queen. She's a solid C because I hate her hair. Alright, Black Pearl. I mean, she used to be more meta than any other cookie. I'm not gonna lie. Should I do Captain Caviar? Nah, I shouldn't. He's an old ass. I feel like Sherbet is a solid beer at this beat. Oh shoot. Okay, obviously every other cook. Oh my goodness, bro, the glazing needs to stop around this cookie at this point. I'm gonna give him like a solid B tier. You know. Stardust Cookie, I love his animation. No cookie. Oh, never mind. Okay, Moonlight Cookie used to be really meta, so it's here. So, Crimson Coral Cookie. Gotta be C. I mean, I love her look, but like, she's just... I thought she was meta. Golden she's ass at this point, but she's B tier. So, let me see. Okay, this dragon, ugly looking, dumb, fringy looking cookie is going in D tier. White Lily Cookie, I love her. I love her character. I'm not gonna do any specials since, you know, I'm gonna do it based on their story sometimes. Alright, so Shadow Milk is out. I feel like y'all would be mad at my answer. He's just ass. He's just fucking ass. Mystic Flower is S. Right, let me find it. If I miss one, please tell me in the comments. I know I'm missing Eternal Sugar and Holly Berry Awakened. So, let me find. Okay, so I'm just gonna put every legendary and, you know, oh shoot. I feel like Shadow Milk is so damn cocky. Cause bro, this guy. By the way, not explaining because he's my dad. Is there anybody else? Is there anybody else? Is there anybody? Is there anybody? Is there anybody else? Maybe the video will go viral. Okay, Elder Fairy. Bro, he's so damn meta. Oh my goodness, he's good. Awaken Pure Vanilla. I love his design, but he doesn't talk. So that's kind of bad. Golden Cheese Awakened, I never got her. So I'm just going to put her in straight, I'm just going to put her right here. No. So Burning Spice Cookie. I don't like his character design, but I still like him. So in front of me. So Awakened, Dark Cacao, obviously, I'll always have fun. Okay. Now, Wind Archer. Everyone's gonna be mad at my damn answer, so he's C. Cause he just, you know. Okay, so